We take a look at Google. We closed Google. It was for technical reasons. It had a lot to do with the GAN work. I mean, there's just way too much time price cycles coming together with prices. It was just not a good picture. And so we closed it for a gain. Otherwise, we'd be closing it for a loss right now. It was a modest gain, I think about 15, 16%. We'll take it though. We love Google. It just, the way that we do the work at the IO fund is, Beth does the fundamentals. She tells us where to go. And then I basically determine when we buy and the allocation that we use based off of technical strength. And so I was telling her around here that something's not right with Google. And so it's failed. This is over. I've taken off my green count. I think that Google's going to a new low. And the reason why that is this is clearly a third wave. See that gap vertical move down? That's a three-wave move right there. So 1, 2, 3, probably we're going to have 4 and then a 5. This could even be the 4 right there, this bounce and then a 5. But this is clearly the first wave of a C wave down to new lows, in my opinion. I think we're going to get a 3-wave bounce, but I don't think it's going to make a new high. It's going to make a lower high.